What's up, good people? How y'all doing this evening? It's Zeke, better known as your bearded blind cook. And I am totally blind, y'all. I'm not faking, I am. I can't see a thing. So, today I'm about to do something for you all. I had to redo this video because my other video that I made 2 years ago, not too well. So, it's going to be better. So I'm going to show you how to do old-fashioned tea cakes the way I was taught how to make them. Everybody got a different recipe, maybe because where you grew up at or how you was taught. But I was taught by my mom, who got it from her dad, on how to make tea cakes. And this is how we make tea cakes in my family. And of course, I'm from Louisiana, born and raised and still here. So I'm about to do some tea cakes and show you that it's simple, and y'all stop making it so darn hard. If the blind man can do it, you can do it too. Come on, let's get started. Alright, this is what you're going to need to make your old-fashioned tea cakes. You need 2 sticks of butter, which is 1 cup, and you're going to need about 2 tablespoons of shortening. I'm using the butter flavor shortening. That's what's in this bowl right here. Okay, you're going to need some vanilla extract. This is a big thing of Mexican vanilla extract that I got at the store. Found a little sale on it. Okay, you're going to need oh, let me tell you the measurements then. You're going to need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, you're going to need 1 cup of buttermilk. This is 1 cup of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, take 1 cup of whole milk and add you about a teaspoon of vinegar in it. You know? Yeah. 2 large eggs. Have your eggs in there. You're going to need, this is nutmeg. You're going to need 2 teaspoons of nutmeg. This is 1 teaspoon. I'm going to grate the other teaspoon because I like fresh nutmeg also. That's the other little nutmeg. Let's see what else the blind man got here. You need baking soda. You need 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Put that over there. You also need sugar. This is 3 cups of sugar. Yep. 3 cups of sugar. Right here, I have 4 cups of flour, and you're going to need some more flour to knead your dough. And I think that's it. Let me show you what to do. Let's get started. For the dry ingredients, that's 4 cups of flour. Let's go and add those 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Let's add this 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. And let me take my where's that? Let me take my thing. Where's my grater? My grater, and let's grate this whole little nutmeg in here. I grate this whole nutmeg. That should be the other teaspoon. All right, get your whisk and whisk that flour, that nutmeg, and that baking soda. All right, let's cream our butter and our shortening. I got me a new mixer, y'all. Don't forget, all your ingredients is also room temperature. Okay, to that butter, let's add those 3 cups of sugar. Right. Right, we beat that sugar and that butter together for about 5 minutes. You see like wet sand? Let's add our 2 large eggs. Gonna add egg number 1. I'll make sure I don't have no shells, okay. So let me add egg number 1. And I'm gonna go and add the 2nd egg too. If you was doing a cake, you know you'd do 1 egg at a time, but this is tea cakes. You can put both eggs at one time. All right, let's mix that in. All right. All right. Let's get our spatula and let's scrape our sides. Look how good and creamy that is. I know the sugar's still not all the way dissolved, but by the time we put the vanilla extract in there and the buttermilk, it's going to dissolve. All right, let's add our tablespoon of vanilla extract. So that's 1 tablespoon. I put this in a little tinge over. I like vanilla extract. Okay, and put that to the side. All right, let's mix this vanilla extract in, and I'm about to mix in the buttermilk too, a little at a time. Look at that, y'all. Look how creamy and fluffy that is. That lets you know that's going to be a good tea cake. And if you want to get the best idea what a tea cake is if a cookie and a biscuit had a baby together. That's what I call it. And it's not a sweet cookie because you're going to have to add all this flour to it to roll it out like a dough. Like you would do a biscuit. To me, this here is the cookie part. All right. Now we got all that in there. All right. I'm going to wash my hands. All right. Now we're about to add our flour mixture to the wet. 1 cup at a time. Let me start my mixer up. Alright, that's our tea cake batter. It's all mixed up. Now I'm about to do the part that everybody hate to do. That's why people don't like making tea cakes. About to knead it with some more flour and make it into a dough like a biscuit. That's why I say it's cross between a cookie and a biscuit. Alright, about to show y'all. Alright, wash down your working surface real good. You want to clean that surface that you're about to knead on. You don't want no nasty fabric. So go over this about 2 times. Alright, since this is going to be my work area, I'm working in front of y'all right here. I'm about to take 1 cup of flour and put it on the counter right here. Because I'm going to let y'all see me knead this dough. So I'm going to put 1 cup of flour down. Spread it out like that. There, because I add a little more. Because I sling flour when I'm doing tea cake dough. Alright. They might like a lot of flour, but put a cup and a quarter on the counter right there. Alright. I don't do too bad for a blind person, huh, y'all? I don't think I do bad at all. Alright. Your batter. Take that batter and you about to pour it right on top of that flour. And let me tell you, I made this so much. I'm about to say I can make it with my eyes closed, but my eyes are closed. Shit, I'm blind. But this is going to make between 55 and 60 tea cakes. Yeah, that's how many tea cakes it's going to make. Put all that dough right there on top. That batter. Put that batter on top. Alright, I told y'all this the part people don't like. So yeah, now on top of this dough, I'm about to add another cup of flour. Just run the whole thing up with flour. I might need another. That might be enough. Let me see. I usually can judge. But another, I say a 1/4 cup more. Okay. I'm showing y'all step by step how to do this. Let me put a little more flour right here on the side, just in case I need it. I probably won't need it. And this is how we're going to do it. We're going to cover that up with flour. Now we're about to just, see that? About to knead it in. About to make our dough. This is the part people don't like. That it don't bother me. But believe it or not, y'all, I love to bake, but I hate flour. I really can't stand this flour on my hands right now, but I don't show it. Yes. See how I'm putting this in? See, he's making the dough. That's why I like to put enough flour down so I don't have to put any more. Nah. I can feel when it's ready. So I want to see that. See how I'm kneading this together? I'm making tea cake dough. This is tea cake dough. I haven't done it for a while. My mom and them taught me how to do it. I had to get it right till I got it. That's how my mom and them is. Do it till you get it. Look at that. See the dough it's making? Yeah. That's how you make tea cakes, baby. Now, everybody make different tea cakes. I've seen some tea cakes that look like a sugar cookie. I've seen some people put lemon abstract in their tea cakes. Some put almond abstract. I need a little more flour. Some people put almond abstract. And yeah, babe, I be slanging this flour. The bearded blind man be slinging the flour. I'm telling y'all. See that? Look at that. See, I almost got it down to a science. Look at that. Ain't that dough coming together? Look at that. That's a dough, baby. What that is? That's a dough. I see, like I say, a tea cake, and put a little more. A tea cake is mixed between a cookie and a biscuit. I believe the first part of it, to me, was like doing a cookie. This part is like doing a biscuit. Look at that dough. Look at that dough. As a blind man, I surprised myself, y'all. Let me finish kneading this dough for y'all. Alright, y'all. Look at that. There go your tea cake dough. See that? There it go. Now, you want to go and bake it right now, you can. Because, see, you can take it. You can pull your piece like that. You can roll it in your hand. Go like that, like I do. And you can make it like that. But what I'm about to do is, I'm about to take it and put it in the refrigerator for a few minutes, let it firm up. And we can do our tea cakes. Alright, got my dough out the fridge, just chill. You put it right there. Get your baking sheet with some parchment paper. Got that right there. Since I'm going to be rolling with my hands, let me wash my hands one more time and make sure I got clean hands. Make sure I got clean hands. Right. I got my oven set at 350. Where I'm at? Over here. Got my oven set at 350. And we're going to put them in there for 15 minutes. I'm going to show them to you all. That's right. Work with clean hands when you're working with food and you're working making stuff for people. All right. So, for some reason, me being blind, I make them all the same size. So I grab out a piece of dough like this. I roll it like this. Because this is like Play-Doh. Then I smash like that in my hand. Hope y'all can see. Make sure I smash like this in my hand like that. And I take it and I sculpture it round. All my tea cakes are going to be the same size. I guarantee you. Alright, there go one. I'm going to take it. Let me set it on this end. Alright, I do 15 per sheet. Be right back. Alright, y'all, I got 15 on the tray. About to put them in the oven for 15 minutes. So let me tell Siri. Set timer for 15 minutes.
Okay, 15 minutes and counting.
Alright, see y'all in 15. Alright, y'all, it's been 15 minutes. Look at that, look at that. Ooh, they hot. Let me make sure I don't, what you call them? Alright, there they go after 15 minutes. Let me let them cool off. All right, y'all, here go batch number 2. Just took them out. I'll let them go a little lighter. All right. All right, here go my last batch. And there they go. My first batch, I let them stay in for 20 minutes because some people like theirs a little crunchy. My second batch I did for 15 minutes. People like them in between. And I did these right here for about 17 and a half or 18 minutes. And that'll be another dimension. And there go the tea cakes, y'all. There they go. This particular batch made 45. Usually it makes around 55. I don't know what happened. All right. This is how we make tea cakes. I was taught. Here go a close up. Can y'all see them? There they go. Hey y'all, I'm back. It's your boy Zeke, the Blind Bearded Chef. And I got my tea cake in my hand. Look at that. That's the tea cake. You can drink this with some hot tea, some coffee, some hot chocolate, and it's not overly sweet. That's the thing about these things. All right. Y'all see me make it? Don't make it hard. Go make y'all some tea cakes. Bye, y'all.